Hey everyone, so today I'm reviewing Tradesviz, an online trading journal that promises to level up your trading game. Let's see if it's worth your time. Tradesviz is a web-based platform for tracking and analyzing trades across stocks, options, futures, forex, and crypto. It's packed with over 500 charts and stats and auto-syncs with over 30 brokers, and even throws in AI-powered insights. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it's built to help you spot patterns and improve. The standout features: auto-importing trades is a breeze, and the customizable dashboards let you focus on what matters most. The built-in simulator for stocks, futures, and options is a game changer. Test strategies without risking cash. Plus, the charting powered by TradingView plots your trades automatically. The pros are that it's super detailed. Think 400 plus widgets and options flow analysis. The support team's fast, and at a $15 a month for the pro plan, it's a steal compared to competitors. It's perfect for data-driven traders who want to dig deep. Cons: there's a learning curve. Tons of features can feel overwhelming at first. Customization is great, but it might take time to set up. And if your broker doesn't sync perfectly, you might need to tweak some imports manually. So, is Tradesviz worth it? If you're serious about trading and love data, absolutely. It's not the simplest tool out there, but the insights and simulator make it a powerhouse. Casual traders find it overkill though. That's my quick take. Try the 7-day trial and see for yourself. Drop a comment if you've used Tradesviz, and what do you think? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.